Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, we're going to walk you through how to install Haystack News on your Amazon FireStick. Haystack News is a fantastic app for staying updated with the latest news from around the world. Whether you're into politics, technology, or entertainment, Haystack has you covered. So let's dive right into it. First things first, make sure your FireStick is powered on and connected to the internet. From your FireStick home screen, navigate to the top menu and select the search option using your remote. Type in Haystack News using the on-screen keyboard and select it when it appears in the search results. You should see the Haystack News app icon. Click on it to proceed. Now, select the Download or Get option to begin downloading Haystack News to your FireStick. Wait a moment for the download to complete. This will depend on your internet speed. Once the download finishes, click on Open to launch the Haystack News app. Upon opening, you'll be prompted to sign in or start exploring immediately. Feel free to sign in with your preferred method, such as Google or Facebook, or skip this step to start browsing right away. Inside Haystack News, you'll find a user-friendly interface that categorizes news into various topics. You can personalize your newsfeed based on your interests for a more tailored experience. When you find a news story you're interested in, simply click on it to start watching. You can adjust playback settings and explore different categories to discover more content. Conclusion. And there you have it. You've successfully installed Haystack News on your FireStick. Now you can stay informed with the latest news anytime, anywhere. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Also, let us know in the comments which apps you'd like us to cover next. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.